Imagine the skies filled with some of the world's deadliest fighter jets and helicopters moving in perfect synchronization. Israel and the USA are rewriting the rules of air dominance, showing unmatched precision and raw power. Today, we take you inside an operation that could change modern aerial combat forever. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most sophisticated air operations ever carried out by Israel and the USA. This mission showcases the raw power and precision of advanced fighter jets and military helicopters working together in a deadly, coordinated strike. These aircraft are not just machines, they're extensions of strategy, speed, and lethal accuracy. Picture the sky filled with stealth jets slicing silently through enemy airspace while attack helicopters hover strategically, providing support and observation. All moving in perfect harmony, every maneuver is planned to achieve maximum impact while minimizing risk. Advanced avionics, radar systems, and pilot expertise allow these aircraft to operate with incredible precision. This operation demonstrates what happens when cutting-edge technology meets decades of training and combat experience. From rapid aerial assaults to critical support maneuvers, Israel and the USA show that air power is not just about firepower, it's about timing, coordination, and intelligence in motion. Over the next sections, we'll break down the strategy, the aircraft involved, and the tactical genius that makes this operation one of the deadliest in the modern world. By the end, you'll understand why their skies are almost untouchable. To fully understand this operation, we need to look at the history of Israel-USA Air Force collaboration. Over decades, these nations have built a partnership that blends Israel's battlefield experience with the USA's global technological advantage. Historically, fighter jets and helicopters were deployed separately, often testing speed, maneuverability, and strike precision. Over time, joint exercises evolved into fully integrated operations, emphasizing coordination and communication. Israel's experience in regional conflicts allowed it to develop rapid response air tactics, while the USA contributed advanced stealth technology, electronic systems, and global strategic planning. Helicopters played crucial roles in reconnaissance, troop support, and extraction, complementing the overwhelming speed and strike power of fighter jets. Historical lessons taught planners how to synchronize multiple aircraft types, create overlapping coverage, and execute strikes in hostile airspace with minimal exposure. Today, these lessons culminate in operations where fighter jets provide rapid, long-range strikes while helicopters offer support, observation, and rapid mobility. This historical foundation is what allows Israel and the USA to conduct highly precise, synchronized air campaigns that dominate enemy skies. The combination of decades of experience, technological advancements, and real-world combat insight is what makes this partnership so effective and feared worldwide. At the core of this operation are the fighter jets, engineered for speed, stealth, and precision. Israel's F-35s and F-16s, alongside the USA's F-22s and F-15s, create a lethal network capable of overwhelming any air defense system. These jets are equipped with radar-evading technologies, advanced avionics, and targeting systems that allow pilots to strike critical objectives with surgical accuracy. In joint missions, multiple jets fly in tight formations, executing synchronized maneuvers that maximize coverage and minimize vulnerability. Pilots undergo rigorous training, including simulated combat scenarios, formation flying, and split-second decision-making, ensuring flawless coordination even under extreme pressure. Fighter jets provide both offensive and defensive capabilities, striking high-value targets while protecting other aircraft in the mission. With long-range precision, rapid acceleration, and the ability to operate at various altitudes and speeds, these jets dominate the battlefield from every angle. In addition to offensive power, jets are equipped with defensive countermeasures, ensuring survivability in hostile airspace. Every flight demonstrates the combination of cutting-edge technology and human skill, showing why these aircraft are central to the success of USA Air operations. They don't just fly, they control the skies. Military helicopters are the unsung heroes of this operation, providing mobility, support, and flexibility in ways fighter jets cannot. Attack helicopters like the AH-64, Apache, or Israel's own helicopter variant serve as forward support, offering close air cover, precision firepower, and tactical reconnaissance. Transport helicopters, meanwhile, deliver troops, evacuate personnel, and supply critical equipment, even in heavily contested zones. Their ability to hover, maneuver at low altitudes, and land in confined areas makes them indispensable for complex operations. Helicopters complement fighter jets by providing continuous aerial support, ensuring that strikes achieve their objectives while maintaining a safe perimeter for Allied forces. Equipped with advanced targeting systems, radar, and countermeasures, these helicopters can operate alongside jets in high-threat environments. Coordinated tactics allow helicopters to flank or suppress enemy positions while fighter jets strike from above, creating a layered and dynamic air assault. In essence, helicopters bridge the gap between air and ground operations, giving commanders the flexibility to adapt to evolving battlefield conditions. Their role in extraction, reconnaissance, and tactical support is critical, making them an essential part of USA joint air operations, capable of tipping the balance in even the most complex combat scenarios. Coordination is the backbone of this operation. Every jet and helicopter has a specific role, timing, and flight path to ensure seamless execution. Fighter jets often take the lead, striking strategic targets and disabling defenses, while helicopters provide close support, reconnaissance, and rapid extraction when needed. Planning begins long before the mission, with detailed simulations and contingency scenarios accounting for every possible threat. Pilots maintain constant communication through encrypted channels, allowing real-time adjustments to maneuvers and targeting. This ensures that every aircraft operates in harmony, maximizing efficiency and minimizing exposure. Timing is critical. Jets strike with precision. Helicopters follow strategically. Tactical maneuvers both define the effectiveness of this operation. Threats, fighter environmental factors. High speed. The strategy relies not only on technological superiority, but also on human skill, for precision and discipline. Every decision is calculated with to achieve maximum impact and low altitude maneuvers that allow them to support coordination. Turns the operation into flexibility under fire. Perfectly choreographed aerial assault, anticipate where enemy defenses, adjusting in real time to avoid radar detection or anti-aircraft fire. Israel and the USA demonstrate that helicopters allows dynamic synchronized execution can dominate threats. Even the most heavily defended skies, while helicopters provide support or cover extraction points, creating layered tactical dominance. Maneuvers are meticulously planned yet adaptable, ensuring that every aircraft contributes to the mission's success. Training exercises simulate worst-case scenarios, enabling pilots to execute maneuvers instinctively and confidently. Precision is key. Every turn, dive, and approach is calculated for maximum efficiency and minimum risk. These maneuvers demonstrate not only technological superiority, but also human skill, reflexes, and discipline. In combination, jets and helicopters dominate the airspace, ensuring mission success while maintaining control over both offensive and support roles. Tactical execution is what transforms strategy into action, making this operation a blueprint for modern air dominance. Mission execution showcases the culmination of planning, skill, and technology. Fighter jets lead the operation, striking strategic targets with extreme precision, while helicopters provide simultaneous support and tactical oversight. Timing is crucial. Jets often neutralize enemy defenses first, clearing a path for helicopters to perform reconnaissance, troop deployment, or extraction. Pilots rely on advanced avionics, real-time communication, and coordinated flight paths to ensure maximum effectiveness and minimal exposure. Each maneuver is synchronized to maintain air superiority, suppress threats, and achieve operational goals. Observers note that the operation demonstrates near-perfect coordination with multiple aircraft types executing complex objectives simultaneously. Helicopters provide adaptability, responding to changing battlefield conditions while supporting jets' offensive actions. Every phase of execution is rehearsed repeatedly, ensuring pilots can react instinctively to unexpected challenges. This combination of precision strikes, support maneuvers, and synchronized movement demonstrates why Israel USA air operations are considered nearly untouchable. The operation highlights not only raw firepower, but also the careful orchestration of every asset in the sky, creating a lethal, flexible, and effective aerial force. Operations like this demonstrate the global reach and influence of Israel and the USA's air power. Advanced fighter jets and helicopters provide unmatched tactical flexibility and rapid response capabilities, showcasing a level of coordination and precision that few nations can achieve. The ability to strike targets anywhere while maintaining air superiority sends a clear signal to allies and adversaries alike. Allies gain confidence in collective security, while potential adversaries are deterred by the operational capabilities displayed. This dominance shapes military strategy worldwide, emphasizing the importance of elite training, technological investment, and joint force collaboration. The integration of jets and helicopters into a single, cohesive operation creates a multi-layered offensive and defensive capability that redefines modern aerial warfare. Analysts and strategists study these operations to understand how air superiority can influence the outcome of conflicts, reinforce deterrence, and protect national interests. The impact goes beyond the battlefield. It sets the standard for Air Force training, coordination, and operational planning, influencing air doctrines around the world. In short, this operation isn't just about military power, it's a blueprint for the future of air dominance. Even the most advanced aircraft face challenges. Fighter jets and helicopters operate in hostile environments where anti-aircraft systems, radar detection, and unpredictable weather pose serious threats. Pilots must maintain exceptional focus and react instantly to unexpected developments. Communication lapses or timing errors could compromise the entire operation, making contingency planning essential. Training mitigates these risks through simulations, emergency protocols, and coordinated exercises, but human skill remains critical. Aircraft must operate in complex formations, maintaining spacing, altitude, and timing while accounting for the capabilities and limitations of each type. Helicopters, while versatile, are vulnerable to ground-based attacks if support is delayed or coordination fails. Jets, although faster and more agile, can face limitations in low altitude or urban environments. The complexity of these missions underscores the expertise required to execute them successfully. By mastering both aircraft technology and strategic execution, Israel and the USA minimize these risks while maintaining overwhelming effectiveness. The ability to overcome these challenges demonstrates why only highly trained personnel can lead such operations and why joint air power remains a decisive factor in modern warfare. The Israel-USA air power operation is a testament to the deadly effectiveness of fighter jets and military helicopters working in unison. Precision, coordination, and training create a force capable of dominating the skies, neutralizing threats, and achieving strategic objectives with remarkable accuracy. Fighter jets deliver rapid, high-impact strikes, while helicopters provide tactical support, reconnaissance, and flexible operational coverage. Together, they form a lethal and adaptable aerial network that can respond to any scenario. This operation demonstrates how air superiority, careful planning, and disciplined execution define modern military power, For viewers fascinated by elite air operations, this provides a glimpse into the combination of technology, skill, and strategy required to maintain control of the skies. If you found this deep dive into fighter jets and helicopters exciting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a breakdown of the world's most powerful military operations. Share this video with friends who are passionate about military aviation and comment below which operation you want us to explore next. Witness the future of air warfare, where speed, coordination, and mastery of the skies determine dominance and shape global military strategy.